Jalen Gaddy, Jalen Avery Tyler Gaddy, 25 T645675C. I need the probation officer to write whether or not the defendant did everything in that one.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
P78413 with MIDC representing Mr. Gaddy.
Good morning. Your name, sir?
Jalen Gaddy.
All right, so this is the driving on a suspended. Does he stand mute, waive formal reading?
Yes, sir.
Where in the world has he been? Fighting in a war? What's he been doing? Where you been?
I just got a new job.
No. I didn't ask you where you work, how much you're making, when you got I want to know why you weren't here 10 months ago, 8 months ago.
Oh, I wasn't aware of that I had to be there.
The officer give you the ticket?
Say that one more time?
Did the officer give you the ticket? It said appear within 10 days, right? Right?
If it did, I missed that one.
You thought the court was just gonna invite you and then you didn't show up. Your address, you live on Graydale, right?
Right.
Well, we sent notices there. You don't read your mail?
That's my.
Well, then just be honest with me and tell me, Judge, I blew you guys off for 9 months. I thought I was larger than life. Don't start standing there lying to me that you didn't know you were supposed to be here, okay? I hate that. Listen, don't interrupt me. Don't interrupt me. Okay, we're not sending out parties invitations here. You know what I'm saying? We didn't invite you to a party. You don't have to go to a party. You don't have to do anything, but you do have to show up in court or there are consequences. We understand one another? Where does he work?
Your Honor, he's working at Florist right now. He's been there for a couple of months. Prior to that, he was at a logistics company, had been there for a couple of years.
You got $100 with you?
Yes.
$100 cash bond. You cannot leave the state without the consent of the court. You cannot violate any law or ordinance. You must appear in court as directed. Let me let you in on another secret. You are not going to endear yourself to these judges in these other courts when you blow them off too. You got 3 out of 36, 2 out of 35th. You got 5 other warrants. Okay? Unless you're hell-bent on going to jail, in which case you keep doing what you're doing, you're going to end up there. I'd go over to those courts and I would surrender today, not tomorrow, today. Do you understand me?
Yes.
Good. Give me a pretrial date if you would, Lisa, please.
I think we put it on the front.
Okay, I'm sorry. You did January 15th at 10. So without,
I believe you had a conflict on that date. Can we do the 21st? I'm here back on the 21st.
who has a conflict?
My client.
What kind of conflict does he have?
I believe it's work related.
What kind of conflict you got?
You have to work that day in 15? Correct.
You show up 8 months later and you want me to make accommodations for you. Who's this with you? Is this girl with you?
Sister.
I could tell she knows what I'm talking about. She thinks you. What, you got to work, so you want me to reschedule it?
If you met.
I can't do it on the 20. Do we have the 21st when we can do it, Lisa? We don't have the 21st, do we? This is Trenton.
No, it would be the 29th.
Still work it out. We'll do the.
I can do the 29th for you. I'll be more fair with you than you have been with us. How's that? You want me to do the 29th or the 15th? It's up to you. But Trenton's only here on Thursdays.
I have a conflict, Your Honor, on the 29th. We have to do the 15th.
15, that's right.
Okay, 15th at 9 a.m. You're gonna have to
Judge.
fill out the, what?
Did Mr. Granada say he has a conflict?
Yeah, I don't know what.
He's just the arraignment attorney. He doesn't follow these cases.
Oh, yeah, you're just, I thought so. So you don't have to worry about that. Do you want to do the 15th or the 29th?
15.
Are you sure? 15th at 9, go down the hall, post your bond. Don't be doing this again. I'm telling you, I'd go over to those other courts. Those warrants have been outstanding for quite a while. We understand? Yes?
Are you saying I have warrants now?
5 of them. Yeah. Why do you think I'm talking to you like this? Plus, you blew us off for 8 months. Stop and don't come back with chewing gum either. Okay? We're not in a candy shop. Go down the hall, get your notice. Good luck. And you're gonna have to fill out a petition for a court-appointed lawyer if that's what you want going forward, all right?
Yes.
Good luck. People against Jack Lee Young, 119-634-2928.
Morning, Your Honor. Peter Granata, P78413 with MIDC representing Mr. Young for our rating purposes.
Sir, your name?
Jack Young III.
Detective, your name?
Detective Corporal Shaj Pontiac, Trenton Police Department.
So I've got contempt charges here. I hope, Mr. Young, can I ask you a question? How old are you?
I'll be 45, Your Honor. Well, I'm 45. 45.
Why would you do this? Why would you act like a fugitive on a drive while suspend charge?
Your Honor, he was, my thing is he was incarcerated
For how long?
most of 2024 and most of 2025.
Well, he was supposed to be here in 21 and starting to take care of this in March of 21, so that's not an excuse. He should have taken care of it in 21. If somehow, some way he was in the hospital for 10 months, he could have come in and taken care of it in 22. If somehow, some way, something tragic happened in 22, he should have been here in 23. You got a big problem with me. And by the way, you can tell, well, I just don't understand this. Warrants all over the place on this guy. I don't even know what I have here. It's going to take me a minute to decipher this. I got all kinds of files in here. I got two, I don't even know what in the world. I got
It looks
two,
like they're
3B
both for non-payment.
I got 23B143198. It looks like on that case he owes 129. And on the other one, on the misdemeanor,
He owes 644 on that one.
he owes 644. All right, so how's he going to proceed on these?
Your Honor, I believe that, he's prepared to make a payment today.
Well, I know, but is he going to plead guilty to failure to pay 644? And is he going to plead guilty to failure to pay 129? Or does he want to have a contested hearing?
No, there is no contest. No.
If you plead guilty to failure to pay 644, you could get 93 days. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Talk to me. If you plead guilty
Yes,
to
sir.
failure to pay $129, you could get 13 days on that, 1 day for every $10 owed. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
You have the right to a contested hearing. At that hearing, you have the right to question their witnesses, to bring in your own, to use the subpoena powers of the court to bring in those witnesses, to testify or remain silent. You remain silent, that silence would not be held against you. Do you understand that?
I do, Your Honor.
If you plead
sir.
guilty, you're giving up all those rights. We're not going to have a hearing, and I will then sentence you on these charges. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir, Your Honor. Is that okay if I talk to my lawyer again about this, Your Honor?
We want to wear the 664, 644.
Well, he's got a big problem. He sees this happening. I'll let you talk to your lawyer again.
I think we want to try to work out something that he could be released today. And
I'm not going to release him. This guy's been playing with us for 4 years. I don't know who he thinks he is.
we could try to work.
Your Honor,
something out.
I've been taking care of my life, Your Honor. I've been on drug court for almost a year.
Listen. Talk to the
Yes,
guy
sir.
in the carnival if you want. I don't want to hear it.
Yes, sir,
You
Your
got
Honor.
warrants all over. You are disrespectful. You have no respect for the system. You think you can just treat the system like some pet of yours, and it's not a pet of yours. We're not a pet of yours. So shake your head all you want. I can only go by what I see. And what I see is warrants that have been going back and forth since 21, and you've been given plenty of chances. So don't talk to me about releasing you today. It's not happening unless you have the money to pay this. I'm telling you. So you guys can talk again, and we'll go from there.
Okay.
You be brief, Your Honor.
Yeah, no problem. Take your time.